Is it time to buy or sell Occidental stock? In this video, we will explore Occidental in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 18th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 18th of February, 2025, our system has categorized Occidental as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.57. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock is currently positioned in the middle of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines within this trend are likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 2.2% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 10.68% to positive 4.65%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a projected change of negative 28.03% over the next year, with a potential return between negative 37.71% and negative 23.44%. This forecast translates to a price range of approximately $30.42 to $37.39 after a year. Our latest daily update for Occidental includes the headline: Stronger technical forecast for Occidental stock price after Tuesday trading. The Occidental stock price increased by 1.62% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 18th of February, 2025, rising from $48.06 to $48.84. This marks 3 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to observe whether this upward trend continues or if there will be a slight pause in the coming days. On the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.57%, reaching a low of $47.91 and a high of $49.14. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days, and is up by 5.33% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume rose on the last day alongside the price, which is a promising technical indicator, with a total of 4 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 13 million shares exchanged hands for approximately $641,400,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $71.19, while the lowest was $45.17. Currently, the price sits 31.39%, or $22.35 below the 52-week high, and 44.29%, or $38.83 below the all-time high reached on the 7th of June, 2018, when the price peaked at $87.67. Occidental Petroleum, commonly known as OXY, has recently disclosed its earnings for the 4th quarter of the year, 2024. The company reported an adjusted earnings per share of 80 cents, significantly exceeding analyst expectations of 68 cents. This positive outcome, combined with a steady cash flow despite falling oil prices, indicates a robust operational performance. However, the company did experience a 4th quarter loss due to lower prices, which has raised concerns among investors. Notably, Warren Buffett continues to invest in OXY, which reinforces its perceived value in the marketplace. Additionally, the rise in natural gas prices and improved export capacity provide a more optimistic outlook for the company's profitability in the future. Furthermore, Occidental has successfully met its debt repayment goal of $4.5 billion and is actively selling off upstream assets, which further strengthens its financial stance. In the long term, this emphasis on reducing debt and maintaining capital discipline aligns with broader trends within the energy sector. This strategy could attract increased investor interest and positively impact OXY's stock price. However, in the short term, the mixed earnings results and wider market factors may lead to volatility. Investors will be closely monitoring how these developments affect OXY's valuation and market response in the days ahead. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 31st of January, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned OXY a sell grade and took a downgrade action. On the same day, Piper Sandler also gave OXY an underweight grade with a downgrade action. Earlier, on Wednesday, the 22nd of January, 2025, Morgan Stanley reported an overweight grade for OXY, along with a hold action. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, Wolfe Research rated OXY as outperform, maintaining a hold action. Finally, on Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, Piper Sandler rated OXY as neutral and recommended a hold action. Analysts have assigned Occidental stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Occidental. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, February 3rd, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 5.33%. Further increase is indicated until a new top pivot has been established. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, and these may influence near-term developments. The Occidental stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a general sell signal for the stock, suggesting a more negative forecast. Should there be further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $49.42. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support from the short-term average at $48.07. A breakthrough through the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will create an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall signal. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots presented a buy signal 11 days ago. Bollinger also indicated a buy signal 11 days ago. The short-term moving average showed a buy signal 7 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average presented a sell signal 18 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 13 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average generated a buy signal 2 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 21 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 176 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Occidental. Occidental finds support from accumulated volume at $47.84, presenting a potential buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support level is tested. This stock typically demonstrates average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is categorized as medium. In the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.23 between its high and low, which accounts for 2.57%. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.10%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Occidental, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate a limited expectation for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a potential buying opportunity. Additionally, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of May, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Occidental. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Occidental is at $48.91. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Occidental encounters its first support level at $47.84. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Occidental from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 12th of February, 2025, Holub Vicky A. made an insider purchase of 68,989 shares of common stock. On the same day, OXY also executed an insider sale of 68,646 shares of common stock. Again, on the 12th of February, 2025, OXY bought 113,426 shares of common stock. On that day, Simmons Jeff F. made an insider purchase of 42,455 shares of common stock. Simmons Jeff F. also sold 16,790 shares of common stock on the same day. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 93.96. In total, insiders purchased 18,418,279 shares and sold 576,719 shares in these last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $46.42, reflecting a decrease of 4.95%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom observed 10 days ago. Is Occidental stock a good buy? Occidental presents several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At its current level, it should instead be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting to hold or accumulate while we await further developments. Our analysis conclusion for this stock has been upgraded from a sell rating to a hold or accumulate recommendation since the last evaluation. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 19th of February, we anticipate Occidental to open lower by 21 cents, beginning trading at $48.63. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is important to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.